Hello guys, it's Gabriel over at Tech-Topia, and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be putting in a screen protector on the Galaxy S5 Watch LTE version, and of course this is my wife's, the 40mm I believe it is, and the actual protector that we'll be using is made by a company called YMHML, and it comes with quite a few things in the box. Comes with several of the cleaning pads, at least 3 of those, as you can see. Comes with 3 of the tempered glass screen protectors that you can use. Actually 4. It comes with 4 of them. This is one that I have in my hand. 2, 3, and 4. So we want to get started. We're going to go ahead and take, there's an item called the wipes are marked 1 and 2. Of course, 1 is the actual alcohol pad that you clean the screen up with to start. So we'll go ahead and clean it really good. Of course, these are IP68 rated, so no need to worry about any water, or in this case alcohol damage, seeping into the watch and damaging it. You don't have to worry about that. So that was alcohol wipe number 1. And this is the drying cloth. Oh, sorry about that. Wipe that up real good all around. Flip it. I'll open it up. And wipe some more just to be on the safe side. Excuse my hands if they're a little bit ashy, guys. I took my dog out for a walk, holding that leash, and it's kind of cool where I'm from. So then it comes with these little dust removers, dust absorber pads. We're going to take one of these off. More difficult than I thought. And we're just going to do this on the screen a few times. It's really sticky, as you guys can hear. Make sure nothing's under the glass there. Okay. Then the actual tempered glass itself, it has a little pull tab that says remove this. So I want to remove this. The sticky side will be placed face down on the actual watch itself. So we got to be very careful here. And we're going to go ahead and try to eyeball this and position it as best we can on the device. Of course, these are third party. So then I'm just going to squeeze from the center outward. You can see the air bubbles dissipate once you press outward on it. I'm going to take one of these cloth pads, the number 2 that's dry, and I'm going to work my way out from center outward to try to remove what looks to be a slight air bubble, as you guys can see in the bottom right hand corner of it, I believe it is. So I'm just going to do like this. See if I can work that little bit of an air bubble out. Well, that one's not going to do it for me. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one and try another one. And I don't know how well these are going to work, so forgive me guys. It's just something that I bought because, you know, we invest a lot of money in these tech gadgets and we want to protect them as best as possible. So bear with me, and I don't know why my screen time, record time keeps going out. So if it has gone out on you guys, forgive me for that. I'm going to do this again. You can do this as many times as you guys want to feel comfortable, where you don't have any dust underneath yours. And of course, I'll have to test this and let you guys know how this virtual ring gets, virtual dial ring is affected, if at all. So I'm going to pull this a little closer to myself. So when I try number 2 on this, that's why it came with 4, I guess, because of people like me. I'm a techie, but I'm not perfect. So at the end of the day, what I did notice is that it comes with these little guides. So I'm going to take one of these little guides off of here, which is similar to the guide that, well, the little tab that you have to pull off on the bottom side. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this on this side, the side opposite the little tab that it comes with, so I can use that so I'm not touching this thing with my fingers anymore like I did the last one. But I've already kind of made a little baby mistake here. I put it in the exact position of the other one. So now I have my little guide there, and I'm peeling the bottom off, as you see. Now I'm going to reverse it over so I don't touch it with my fingers. I'm going to grab another guide and put it on the opposite side so I don't touch this thing. Kind of have like a double handle to lay down on this thing, as you guys can see there. And I'm trying to get up above it so I can kind of see the position of it on the watch itself, and see if I can't lay it on there equally. Looks like I did a halfway decent job there of positioning it. So now I'm going to pull the one guide off. Well, it actually pulls both off. And at least the way I saw it on the video from the company itself, they kind of press from the center outward. And I'm trying to do that. I'm not going to press real hard right now. I'm just going to get a few little presses on it. Center out all the way around in a circular fashion, 360 degrees, so to speak. And I'm just going to kind of let the little air bubbles work themselves out. And I accidentally turned the watch off. Did a soft reboot inadvertently. So I'm just going to do that. I don't see any air bubbles. It looks pretty good. I'm going to do that a few times. Now I am going to kind of go in a circular fashion around the edges, so if there's any air bubbles there, that'll kind of flush, sit them down flush, or flush them out. And if you guys saw, I did use the sticker to get any sitting dust or dust particles that may have been on there off. So, but again, this is my first time trying it. They come off pretty easily, as you guys saw from the one mistake I made with the first one application. So I'm doing that. So it actually came on. So let's just see how hard we have to press this thing to get anything done. Up. Don't want to do a workout, not at all. So I'm going to press this home button or stop, because I don't know what I've done here, but I got it turned on, and that may just be the way she has it now. Okay, it seems to be working right there. So okay, so maybe that's just her first screen, and it seems to be working really well as far as moving around. Now, okay, yeah, that's cool. It still works really well, as you can see from the dialer, the virtual dial, so to speak. Okay, so it's not affected. There you go, guys. You see that? And it's really working well. Nice. Let's go back home. There we go. That's it for this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.